We could be just hours away from the approval of a second COVID-19 vaccine. Good evening. I'm Sean Gables.
And I'm Rick Fulbaum. Thanks for joining us. The FDA expected to approve Moderna's drug by the end of the day today. Moderna's vaccine winning a near unanimous recommendation from an FDA advisory panel yesterday. We've reported on that. Federal officials say nearly 6 million doses could be shipped across the country as soon as next week.
This comes as Georgia crosses a grim milestone. During the pandemic, we have now hit 500,000 confirmed cases. And today alone, the Peach State added 6,149 new infections. That's the most since the pandemic started. Adam Murphy shows us how Pfizer's vaccine is already rolling out. Adam, good evening.
Good evening, Sean. Shipments of that Pfizer vaccine continue to roll into our state. And tonight, some high-risk cancer patients are a little safer. Some of the most susceptible people to COVID-19 got a dose of good news Friday. Dr. Jeffrey Metz at the Cancer Treatment Centers of America received a shot of the Pfizer vaccine in Metro Atlanta, and his entire team of medical professionals are next in line.
For us as a cancer specialty hospital, we take care of a high-risk patient population. There are immune-compromised patients, sometimes from the cancer, sometimes from the cancer treatment. And so we have to do everything we can to keep COVID out of here.
According to the CDC, Dr. Metz said there are expected to be nearly 2 million new cancer diagnoses this year. The vaccine is the reinforcement they have been waiting for to keep their patients safe.
We know from the data that's been compiled that this is as safe and as effective as any vaccine that we've ever seen rolled out.
Also receiving the vaccine, the Vice President of the United States and Dr. Valerie Montgomery Rice, the Dean at the Morehouse School of Medicine.
The vaccine is going to give us the opportunity to create dead ends for the virus. And the more dead ends that we can create really enhances our ability to start to lower the entirety of the virus and the impact it's had on the community.
The vaccine arrived in the nick of time. Metz said cancer screenings and visits are down between 70 and 90% due to fear of the virus.
Cancer doesn't wait for COVID, and it's really essential that we get people to resume their screening, that we try to capture cancer at the earliest stage that we can so there are more options for treatment.
And Dr. Metz called this a giant step in the right direction, and he hopes to vaccinate his entire team over a 2-week period. Live tonight in Midtown Atlanta, Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.